Where to find the best sites. Legal and paralegal careers. Hi. The best internet resources about how to load film on a school laminator. These selected resources on the web might help you. Our top-ranked site to learn about how to load film on a school laminator is www.youtube.com. Specifically the page titled How to Put Film on a Laminator, YouTube. Here's the link. You can also try 1162.r.msn.com, especially the page by school laminators schooloutfitters.com. This is the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site 948360.r.msn.com. The web page School Roll Laminators. Save $5 on your laminator order. This is the link.